So as you can see, here is a hot plate currently boiling right here. And as you can see, sorry for that, here is the circuit. So it comes directly to the inverter. Let's chase it down. Comes directly to the inverter. So here is the inverter system right here, and this kVA right here is 900 watts, though it's rated for 1100 VA, but the watt inside here is 900 watts. So let's look how many percent it is consuming. From it's consuming 66%. You can see 66% from here. So as you can see, that is the work of the booster, and is working effectively on the electric cooker right here with this booster. As you can see, working accurately with the work of this booster. This is an 800 watt booster. As you can see, it took about 18 minutes for it to get boiled like this. So that is how it functions, and that is how it works.